Welcome back to Startup Street. Now, veteran investors Ruchira Shukla and Karthik Chandrasekar have launched Synapses, which is a venture capital firm aiming to invest in startups in the climate and health tech space. My colleague Aishwarya Anand caught up with the co-founder at the fund's official launch at IIT Delhi's Research and Innovation Park. Take a look.
Tell us a little bit about the fund, what's going to be the size of it, and what is your focus area here?
Synapses is focused on supporting STEM innovations in the spaces of climate tech and health tech. We aim to raise about $125 million globally from global investors, and we want to support STEM innovations out of India that have the potential to be global winners. We will do that by having deeply entrenched engagement with innovative ecosystems across the world.
Karthik, take us through what kind of innovations are you looking to back, and how many startups are you or companies are you planning to back by the end of this year? Any target that you've set there?
I think the target for the fund overall is to back about 25 companies through the life of the fund. So we're looking from climate mitigation all the way across to adaptation and health as climate adaptation. Within climate mitigation, we are looking at a just energy transition. So any technology that can help catalyze the decarbonization journey. And then looking at agriculture in two lenses, one around mitigation, around sequestering as much carbon into our soils, but two around basically agriculture from nutrition and food perspective, but also our relationship with our farmers. And then lastly around health, looking at agile, resilient healthcare that can basically be provided to all, leveraging modern technologies, right? AI, ML, IoT solutions that can be provided at the edges.
Is it the concept state startups that you're looking to back, or are you looking at companies that have already found that product market fit and have achieved some scale? And what is going to be the ticket size that you will, and how soon will you start doling it out?
So we want to enter at a stage which we define as early traction. And early traction to us means the product has to be proven. We want early feedback loops from, say, the first 2 to 3 customers. That's when we come in as Synapses. We support the companies with capital. We support the companies with operational and strategic support to help them grow, to build out their commercialization engine, to build out their path to profitability, and scale them from early traction all the way to B and C stage companies. The first checks may be small, but we would have heavy follow-on investments as we work with these companies to become global leaders.
Okay. So what is going to be the identification process for these companies? What are the parameters that you're looking at?
For us, when we are looking at entrepreneurs, we really want them to have some really audacious goals in terms of taking IP coming out of India to global markets to address global challenges. I think that's core.
You both are IIT alums, and this launch is happening at IIT Delhi's Research Innovation Park. So tell me, what's the synergy that we're looking at here?
Deep academic innovation ecosystems that the country has and the country is so proud of have the potential to bring these world-class innovators to the market. And so we will be tapping into these ecosystems, working very closely with the IITs. I already volunteer for the IIT Delhi Investment Committee. Karthik's very engaged with the IIT Bombay. And those synaptic connections we were talking about, we want to build those with academic institutions globally, so that we can find the best innovators irrespective of where they are.
A report by DPIIT said that, in India, 40% of deep tech startups are led by women. I want to understand that from Synapses' point of view. Is there a special focus on women who are working on solutions in this space?
Absolutely, and my presence and my focus is also a statement in that respect, right? And I've been, from the days that I was a chemical engineer on this very campus where there were only 11 women in a class of 400 boys, I've tried to outshine in spaces that have been traditionally male dominated, whether it was engineering or investment banking, private equity, venture capital. Even as an investor, I'm in boardrooms which are largely male dominated. And so I think there is a big call for change in these spaces. And the aim for Synapses and my own personal aim is to inspire and support women who want to pick up engineering and investment in STEM as their area of expertise and to help them get there.
With that, it's a wrap